Gotcha. There we go. All right, it is a hot and sticky afternoon. We had this crazy 15-minute storm that came through. It just rained really hard for like 15 minutes, like maybe an hour or two ago. So things are kind of stirred up. I'm just going to throw around the little tiny swim bait a few times, see if any of the little guys are out, and then maybe we'll throw around a Texas rig, see if any of the bigger guys are hunting tonight. But man, it's humid today, and I'm also want to check out what's going on with the construction by the pond. I think I know what they're doing, but we'll see when I get over to that area. With that, let's get started. All the turtles are awake. All right, we'll fan out a little from there. By the same general area, slightly different angles. Getting lots of almosts. Either these guys are all tiny today, or my batting average sucks. Nope. Missed him. Gotcha. There we go. Yep, that was a bluegill. He spit it out. Thought I had him good. Do it to try and make it go away. Can't really see because the water's too murky. Got something. Let's land this one. That's a bluegill. That's what's been hitting me all day. Little guys like this. Nice one. And there we go. That's our bluegill. Back in the water with you. Oop, that was a nice little tap. That was another good tap. Thought I had him. Yeah, these are definitely bluegills that are out. See if I can go on a little bit of an angle here. Kind of parallel the bank. Oh, that was a good hit. Getting some little hits over there. It's a little bit of a hard angle to be at because of all the brush. Yeah, I'm going to have to change this. I got maybe like 2 or 3 casts left on this before it falls apart. Oh, got someone. Oh. That looks like a little bass. It's in the weeds. Let's go get him before he falls. Oh, he's rolling down the hill. He's sliding down the bank, and so am I. Keeps sliding. Ouch. Thorns over here. Oh. Alright. There we go. Little bass. Giving me trouble. You've been out there enough, so I'm going to get you back in the water and try to climb back up here without going to the drink. Whew. That was more work than I care to admit. Alright, we've got my bait caster, the Texas rig, a nice 1/4 ounce tungsten, so this is a little heavy. Usually I like to fish lightweight, but I've been having good luck with the heavy one. And chartreuse and watermelon worm. I know it's cloudy conditions, or cloudy water conditions. So work it nice and slow. Gotcha! There we go. Come on in. There we go. That's a nice one. Woohoo! Alright. My hand is still a little... hurt the palm of my hand a little bit, so it's kind of hard to grab these guys. Let's get him on the grippers and take a look at you. You're probably like between 1 pound and 1.5 pounds. Let's get a look at you. Ooh, very, very unhappy fish. Let's see how much you weigh. Ooh. So you're reading 1.4, so that's so that's about 1.23 once I compensate for the for these grippers. Let's get a pic of you. Okay, here we go. About 1.25 pounds. Very angry fish. Here we go. And let's get you back in there. Alright, that was a nice fish to end on. So, we're going to get back to it. Go do our thing. Gotta get to the store and run a few errands. But I will see you next time. In the meantime, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment down below. See you next time.